Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss if you can make $5,000 to $10,000 a month as an independent truck dispatcher. Okay guys, so this video I would like to start with a disclosure. As you may know, AlphaX operates a project which is called LearnDispatch.com, where we sell trainings related to truck dispatching. So for me to go ahead and tell you that, hey, you can make this much money or that much money and it's going to be easy, would not be an objective thing. And since I am trying to make my videos to be more or less objective, today we're going to break down the numbers and discuss how much money you could make and what kind of effort you will have to make to earn this money. As a matter of fact, with this video, I would like to counteract all these other videos that you may find on YouTube where people are dangling checks in front of you or showing you some spreadsheets, showing you how much money they made dispatching trucks. And first of all, I believe that a lot of them are fake. And even if they are not, fact that someone has made this much money doesn't mean that you will make that much money. So with this out of the way, let's go ahead and crunch some numbers. First of all, we need to determine how much money you can make dispatching one truck. And if we do some research, we are going to see that most people that charge percentage of gross revenue will be charging anything between 3 and 8%, at least at the time of me making this video. Now that we know average percentage that is being charged, we need to determine how much gross revenue each truck makes. And from our statistics, most semi-trucks do generate between $6,000 to $10,000 of gross revenue every week, with $6,000 being more on a lower side and $10,000 being more on a higher side. If we take this number, we can say that conservatively, your average gross revenue should be around $8,000. So now if we apply the math of you receiving 3 to 8% of $8,000 of gross revenue, we will receive numbers along the lines of $240 per week that you would receive if you're charging 3%, or as much as $640 if you are charging 8%. Now, if we're gonna go ahead and multiply this number by an average number of weeks in a month, which is usually 4, you will receive a range of $960 to, I believe, $2,540. So you have this range basically between $1,000 and $2,500, which you could potentially make with just one truck. Now, I would rather you be conservative and be on the lower side of this range, okay, or plan your business on the lower side of the range. It would be fantastic if we could make $2,500 a month off one truck, but that is not going to be realistic. Just at least for the reason that the truck is not going to run consistently. There will be breaks because drivers will be taking vacations, truck will be breaking down, there will be other factors. So it is not really reasonable to assume that that amount of money can be made consistently, even if you're charging this high percentage. And you probably are not, if you're just starting out, you're not going to be charging that much money, you're going to be charging less. So I think that $1,000 is a very good conservative estimate of the amount of money that you can make dispatching one truck full time. Now, I have to point out one more thing, that the numbers I'm providing you with are related to semi-trucks. If you decide to dispatch some other vehicles which are smaller, they may not be able to gross as much money as the semi-truck. Therefore, this can affect the amount of money you will be making as a dispatcher for this smaller vehicle. So now we know that it is conservative and fairly realistic for you to make $1,000 by dispatching one truck on a full-time basis. So with this number in mind, at this point we know that you will need 5 to 10 trucks in order to make $5,000 to $10,000 per month. Is it possible to find 5 to 10 trucks to dispatch? Yes, absolutely. It may take only 2 small fleet owners for you to get 10 trucks to dispatch. If you have seen our video on small fleet owners, which I'm going to link below, you can see how that can be beneficial to your business. But regardless if you target small fleet owners or just owner operators, you will have to market your services in order to attract this number of trucks. Now, marketing we have discussed in our previous videos. We talked about online marketing, direct marketing, and we even spoke about developing your sales pitch. I'm going to link all of those videos below as well. So if you're interested in how to market your services to potential clients, you can watch those videos and learn more about that. But for now, let's assume that you have found enough clients to have 10 trucks to dispatch. Next question is, can you actually manage 10 trucks on your own? In my personal experience, you can be very efficient with about 5 trucks or so. If you're really good, you can do more. Some people say they're comfortable dispatching whatever 10, 15 trucks. But in my experience, after anything more than 5 will keep you really busy and will start dragging down your efficiency. So I would recommend, if you have 5 trucks and then you're adding more, to do something that I have done in the past. This is a little trick which worked out perfectly for me. I started hiring virtual assistants, and those virtual assistants would do just one simple task for me. For example, they would complete broker carrier packets. If you're familiar with the load booking process, then you know that somebody makes a phone call to a freight broker, gets the details about the load, and if it's a suitable option, dispatcher books this load, and freight broker sends a broker carrier packet. This broker carrier packet can take from 5 to 15 minutes to complete, depending on how big it is or how complicated it is. Again, if you are our student, we provide you with a lot of different broker carrier packets so you can practice completing them. But with that being said, if you're booking a load, you're receiving this packet, and now you have to spend time completing it. And that is the time you cannot be making calls for your other trucks that need a load. And this is where virtual assistant becomes very helpful, because I can book a load, they will send me a packet, and I'm not going to waste my time on it because my virtual assistant will take care of it. In the meantime, I'll be calling on another load, which if I book it, again, virtual assistant will complete the paperwork. And this way, I can efficiently manage 5, 10, or maybe even more trucks. Another advantage of using virtual assistants is not just that they will help you complete packets, but you can train them to make phone calls as well. And then they can technically do what you do. So this can be very helpful if you need a substitute, because you may have a doctor's appointment and something else may come up. So you have a backup. There's going to be someone who can do what you do in case you're not available. And if you train them properly, they'll do a great job, and it will not cost you all that much money. So we got a little bit sidetracked from our initial question. Can you make $5,000 to $10,000 dispatching trucks? Well, as you can see from the numbers which we reviewed, if you manage to find 5 to 10 trucks, you should be able to make $5,000 to $10,000. Now, to find those trucks, you will have to utilize your marketing skills. It is not your dispatching skills, it's your marketing skills. Those will come in first. Now, once you find those trucks, this is when your dispatching skills are going to kick in, because in order to retain all these trucks, you will have to do a good job as a dispatcher. Therefore, you will be utilizing your dispatching skills. And with that being said, I want you to remember that this will be a process, okay? You should not expect to get engaged with dispatching and land 5 to 10 trucks right away. It will be a process. It will be 1 truck, then 2 trucks, then 3 trucks, and so on and so on. If you do things right and retain those clients, you will be able to grow your clientele to the numbers of, again, 5 to 10 trucks. Now, can you make more money than that? Yes, absolutely. You probably will not be able to do it on your own. So you will need staff, you will need people. But if you utilize the strategy I have mentioned with virtual assistants, if you train one virtual assistant, he or she is really good at doing dispatching, then you can hire another one. And this additional virtual assistant who does dispatching for you can manage another 5 trucks. So now it's going to be your job to find more trucks for them to dispatch, and it will be your job to manage the operations properly. But then you could have 15 trucks or 20 trucks. And as you know, again, conservatively, those 15 to 20 trucks will make you $15,000 to $20,000 a month. You know, they can make even more, again, if we're going to be less conservative, but we will have to account for various expenses. You know, virtual assistants will cost you something, and so on and so on. But there is a potential to scale this business to whatever level you can manage to scale it. And this is a great thing, because now you know that your income is not limited with this particular field of work. You know, you can grow, you can expand, you can make it great. It will require a lot of work. If you work hard, you can achieve the success in truck dispatching as in any other field of business. So all you have to do is just follow the steps, you know, learn, do marketing, do dispatching, attract clients, grow your team, and you can have one big and successful business. And with all that being said, we are going to wrap up this video, and I will see you next time.